No webcam or hardware issues? Don't worry, you can use your phone as a webcam for free. It's a one-time setup for Zoom, MS Teams, Discord, or any other app. First, download and install the DroidCam app on your phone, whether you're using iOS or Android, from the App Store or Play Store. Then, install it on your Windows PC or laptop. Open the App Store and search for DroidCam. Tap the Get button to download and install it on your iPhone. If you're on Android, download it from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and continue with the setup option. Allow DroidCam to access your camera, microphone, and local network so it can find nearby devices. At the end, you'll see your device IP address. Copy it. You'll use it to connect to any PC or computer on the same Wi-Fi network. Now open the DroidCam app on your PC. Download the PC client for Windows or Linux. Click on Windows Setup and download it by selecting the DroidCam Client Setup button. Once the setup file is downloaded, right-click it and run it to install on your Windows system. Click Yes to start the installation. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. When you're done, launch the DroidCam app on your PC or laptop. Click Add Device. Enter a device name like, I'm using my iPhone 17 Pro, and enter the Wi-Fi IP address from the app on your phone. Turn on audio if you want to use your phone's microphone during calls. You'll also see settings to adjust camera resolution under Properties. If you're getting a black or green screen, switch the resolution to match your system. Now launch apps like Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Before starting a meeting, turn on the camera and select DroidCam as your video source. On the same screen, you can also switch camera and microphone settings. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.